Protean eGov Technologies Q3 FY26 results, 50% profit surge or CEO exit. Protean eGov Technologies has delivered an exceptionally strong performance for the third quarter of 2026, reporting a consolidated net profit of 22.93 crore rupees. This marks a massive 50.56% increase compared to the same period last year, a growth rate that has caught many market analysts by surprise given the recent volatility in the e-governance sector. The jump in profitability is primarily attributed to the successful scaling of their asset-light, digital public infrastructure projects and a significant improvement in operational efficiency. The company has effectively managed its processing charges, which remain stable at around 32% of revenue, allowing more of their top-line growth to flow directly to the bottom line. Amidst these strong financial numbers, the company also made a major announcement regarding its leadership team that will impact the firm for years to come. MD or CEO Suresh Sethi has officially tendered his resignation and is set to step down on March 31, 2026, after leading the company through its successful IPO and rebranding. To maintain business continuity during this transition, the board has appointed the current Chief Operating Officer, V. Iswaran, as the interim CEO effective April 1, 2026. This move ensures that the company's strategic roadmap remains on track while they search for a permanent successor to lead their next phase of international expansion. One of the most critical areas investors are watching is Protean's dominance in the pension sector, which remains a massive part of their core business. The company continues to be the primary backbone of India's retirement savings infrastructure, maintaining a staggering 98% market share in new account additions for the national pension system. This segment provides a very stable and recurring revenue stream, acting as a cash cow that allows the company to invest in riskier, high-growth areas like cloud computing. The steady low to mid-teen growth in CRA services ensures that the company has predictable cash flows even when other project-based segments face timing delays. There has been significant discussion surrounding the PAN 2.0 project and its potential impact on Protean's traditional tax-related revenue streams in the future. While the government is moving toward a more modernized, tech-heavy system, Protean management has clarified that their existing card processing mandate will remain critical for several years. The company is actively pivoting its business model to ensure that they stay relevant as a key system integrator even as the technology behind PAN cards evolves. They are focusing on the assisted mode of application, which remains the dominant choice for millions of Indian citizens who require help with digital documentation. The company is also seeing early success in its international expansion strategy, specifically in the African and Southeast Asian markets this fiscal year. They recently secured a landmark 25 crore rupee contract with the government of Ethiopia to build their agriculture digital public infrastructure using the India Stack model. Protean will act as the master system integrator, using advanced AI and data analytics to create unique farmer IDs and a unified data platform for the country. This project serves as a vital proof of concept for how the company can export its domestic expertise to global markets that are looking to digitize their public services. Financially, Protean continues to operate as a zero-debt company, which is a rare and highly attractive trait for long-term investors in the technology sector. They currently sit on massive cash reserves exceeding 800 crore rupees, giving them the dry powder needed to fund internal R&D or explore strategic inorganic acquisitions. This financial fortress allows them to weather short-term market storms, such as the stock recently trading near its 52-week low, without compromising on their innovation. The company's ability to maintain a healthy dividend payout of over 40% even while investing in growth highlights their commitment to returning value to shareholders. Another high-growth area for the firm is its expanding partnership with UIDAI for Aadhaar-based services across rural and urban India. Protean recently won a massive 1370 crore rupee mandate to establish and operate 188 district-level Aadhaar Seva Kendras, which will provide a steady recurring revenue stream for the next 6 years. By managing both PAN and Aadhaar related services at such a massive scale, they have created a unique identity ecosystem that is incredibly difficult for competitors to replicate. This deep integration into the government's digital infrastructure makes them a key partner for any future citizen-centric digital transformation projects. As we look toward the upcoming Union Budget 2026 on February 1st, Protean is positioned as a major beneficiary of potential government spending. There are high expectations for increased allocations toward the digital agriculture mission and the further expansion of digital health IDs and verifiable credentials. If the finance minister announces a further push for digital public goods, Protean is the natural partner for implementation due to their proven track record. Investors will be listening closely for any mentions of open digital ecosystems, which could act as a massive catalyst for the company's valuation in the coming months. Operating margins have also shown a positive trend this quarter, finally benefiting from the inherent operating leverage of their digital platforms. As the volume of transactions in the NPS and Aadhaar segments increases, the marginal cost of processing each additional transaction drops significantly, leading to better bottom-line efficiency. The leadership transition to an insider like V. Easwaran is being viewed as a sign of stability by institutional investors who value consistency in government-linked projects. Easwaran's deep understanding of the company's open digital ecosystem strategy will be vital as they move beyond their legacy tax business into new age segments. In conclusion, Protean eGov Technologies is successfully navigating a period of significant change by diversifying its revenue and expanding its global reach. With a 50% profit surge and a massive order book, the company is evolving from a local service provider into a global leader in digital public infrastructure. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.